So I'm Freya Garry, I'm at the UK Met Office and I'm working in climate resilience, in particular looking at multiple hazards at the moment. So what we mean when we talk about multiple hazards is when we have more than one climate index or variable like temperature or humidity causing a problem at the same time. So often we might look at the probability or chance of a certain temperature on its own, and then we'd consider the risk to health, for example, or another sector, and then consider what we need to do about that in future. But what might happen is that you have two climate problems happening at the same time, for example. So you've got very high temperature and high humidity. And what you then might find is that the risk is even higher. So in these very extreme cases, you might see much bigger impacts. And so what we want to do is look at the probabilities of both things happening together so that we can provide extra information to different sectors in the UK in order for them to plan for future climate resilience. So climate resilience, in a nutshell, really depends on what exact question you're looking to address. So in terms of UK climate resilience, we might be interested in the impact in the future generations of the climate changes that we know are going to happen. And so what we might be interested in terms of resilience is knowing what those impacts are going to be and what adaptation we have to take to be able either to minimise those risks to below acceptable thresholds or try and reduce them entirely. So the climate resilience project that I'm working on at the moment is seeking to use information from the UK CP18 projections and finding from those projections what sort of probabilities or chances we're going to see of extreme events. And so this is using multiple hazard information. So say we've got a very high temperature and high humidity event. What is the chance that we're going to see that? But then crucially, what we do in this project is look at the information about exposures and local risk information that we have from stakeholders and combine that all together to make risk assessments that are more useful, usable information for our climate services. So through our climate research using these model projections, we can make the most of the underpinning science that we do within the Met Office and feed it through to the climate services community. And this means that because there are so many chances for different stakeholders in different industries to get involved in this project, that actually the benefits could be as wide as the whole UK community and beyond.